All right, Lester, here's your big block Ford, 521 cubic inches. Your description is combination, Edelbrock heads, custom grind hydraulic roller. You got your manifold carburetor and distributor on it. Got your oil pan on it. Want her to make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 590 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 621, peaks horsepower 588, so everything's good. We'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple of things here. See your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. Great will be this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend reading it all. Have a great day.